My name is Crisjona Manihuruk. I'm a student at Jakarta State Polytechnic in Indonesia, majoring in mechanical engineering. Due to the collaboration between PNJ and PT, Liugong Machinery Indonesia, I was elected and awarded a scholarship to study in LVTC. Will the students in China welcome us? I thought to myself, and I was little worried.
Hi, welcome to LVTC.
As an ordinary Indonesian university student, I never thought that I would have the opportunity to study in China. For me, the capital Jakarta was already the most beautiful and best place. I chose to study heavy machinery because I wanted, through my efforts, to make my country more beautiful. After coming to China, I realized that there are still a lot to learn. I could not compete with those who were good at Chinese.
Stop!
Nor could I compete with the best students in my major. I wanted to learn Chinese and heavy machinery as well. And I wanted to get an offer from Liugong. Fortunately, the teachers at LVTC have tried their best to teach us. And the seniors at Liugong keep encouraging us. I have made many friends here. Here, various extracurricular activities have enriched my college life. Here we travel and experience the charm of Chinese cities. China is so large and Liuzhou is so beautiful. I didn't expect it to be so developed. My seniors of LVTC work at Liugong. Some of them have become service manager in some countries and region. In Indonesia, the head of business in islands including Sumatra, Kalimantan and Sulawesi are all seniors of LVTC. I want to be like them. I will be like them. Thanks to Liugong, LVTC and PNJ, due to Liugong's development in Indonesia and the deep collaboration between institute and enterprise, I have the opportunity to study in China. My friends in China are very nice. We travel all the way together. We embrace the wonderful world together. In the future, I will devote myself to machine maintenance at Liugong and contribute the development of mining and agriculture in Indonesia.